Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Vite UI scaffold and reset configuration. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Vite UI scaffold, begin by opening your terminal. Navigate to the project directory where Vite was installed. Run the command to uninstall the Vite package. This can typically be done using npm uninstall Vite or yarn remove Vite. Next, check for any associated configuration files. Look for a vite.config.js or vite.config.ts file in your project folder. If you find these files, delete them to remove existing configurations. Now, locate the node_modules folder. This folder contains all dependencies related to your Vite project. You can delete the node_modules folder manually or run rmrf node_modules in the terminal. Once that's done, remove the package.lock.json or yarn.lock file if present. This step helps in ensuring no remnants of Vite remain. To reset your configuration, create a new directory for your project if needed. Use mdir new project directory and then navigate to it with cd new project directory. Initialize a new node.js project by running npm init or yarn init. Install the desired UI framework or any other packages you need. Follow the instructions for setting up your new project. Finally, review your project to ensure that Vite is completely uninstalled and the configuration is reset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.